Hi, I'm Alex Stutchbury and welcome to ARTClass, a series of videos teaching you the key skills needed to create great art. Today I'm going to teach you about some of the facts and basic information regarding colour theory. Here are the objectives.
Do I know the key facts about the colour wheel? And could I create a variety of colours and know which ones work well together?
In this video I'm going to teach you about the colour wheel, the groups of colours found within the colour wheel and how you mix them together to create different colours, but also variations like complementary colours, warm and cool colours, and tones, tints and shades. So let's get started.
The colour wheel. It is made up of three main groups of colours: primary, secondary and tertiary colours. It was researched by Isaac Newton in reference to light and the colour spectrum. He is of course a famous scientist who is more famously known for an apple falling on his head and his subsequent writing about gravity. Primary colours are found at the centre of the colour wheel and make up the rest of the secondary and tertiary colours. They are spaced equidistant apart from one another. The three colours are red, yellow and blue, and these are unique colours because they cannot be made using any other colour. A secondary colour is created when equal amounts of two primary colours are mixed together. So to make orange, you would mix 50% red and 50% yellow. The other key secondary colours are purple and green. Purple is made by mixing 50% red and 50% blue, and green is mixing blue and yellow evenly. A tertiary colour is made when mixing uneven ratios of two primary colours together. So for example, if you mix 75% red and 25% yellow, you would create a warmer, darker orange colour. Complementary colours are opposite each other on the colour wheel. They work well alongside each other as they contrast one another. The three main complementary pairs are red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. You can always work out what the primary complementary colour is by putting the other two together. So if you've got red, you would add blue and yellow together to make green. If you've got blue, you would add red and yellow together to make orange. Warm and cool colours. Warm colours appear to advance to the viewer as if they stand out more. The warm colours are red, orange and yellow. Cool colours, on the other hand, look as if they recede away from the viewer. The three main ones are blue, green and purple. Here is an example of how they work.
To understand warm and cool colour theory better, have a look at this Ayrton Senna painting I did of him at Monaco. Now, the first bit which probably stood out to you was a bright flame popping from the exhaust and its reflection in the water underneath. By also putting oranges and yellows and the glow of that flame on the back wing, it helped make the car stand out. And then having green and blue predominantly in the background on the advertising and the spectators, and they receded into the background, drawing your attention to the main focus, which was Ayrton driving to second at Monaco.
Finally, tints, tones and shades. A tint is made by adding white to a colour. A tone is made by adding grey to a colour, and a shade is made by adding black to a colour. One example would be adding white to red to make pink. Pink is a tint of red.
So there you have it, some basic knowledge to create some great colour artwork. Watch some of my other videos, including colour pencil drawing or colour painting, so you can put your theory into practice. I'm sure you produce some great stuff and I look forward to seeing it. My name's Alex Stutchbury. Goodbye.